Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, it's an update video. I showed this painting journal a little while back. I got it in an Amazon haul that I did, and this is an update on, I used it quite a few times, and I just wanted to give like an honest opinion here, a review. And the pages are definitely nice and thick. It'll hold watercolor, or these two right here were acrylic. These two are watercolor. They do buckle a little bit, but that's to be expected with the watercolor. And like I said, just a few random things here. Got another beach and some trees. More landscapes and the moon. I really liked the way these two came out, playing with different textures, and just a little bit of a floral design here. There's a little marker here if you wanted to use that. And these are sewn in there. Again, you could do like the great big landscape if you wanted to. In the back, there's also like a little pouch here. I mean, you're not going to fit much in there, but you can put, I don't know, anything I guess you needed to put in there, maybe little extra sheets of paper maybe. This is really great for travel. Again, even if your pages are buckling a little bit, you can close it up and it does a decent job there. The logo and stuff is nice on the back. And this little, you can fit a small brush up here. The water brush pens won't fit. I already tried that. They're a little too thick, if anybody was curious. But a small brush, or obviously a pen or a pencil, you can definitely fit up there. And again, I did purchase this off of Amazon, and it was the Pentalic brand. I'll list everything in the description down below. This was just a quick update, and I am definitely pleased with this purchase. And I think I would actually like to look for, this was one of the smaller landscape styles. It was roughly like 5 by 8. I'd like to look for one that's maybe a little bit bigger. Overall, it was a really great purchase. I said definitely great for travel because it'll hold, a little pen, pencil, or small brush, and then it actually closes. I have other ones that they don't have this or the extra closure here, so this one is good for traveling purposes. You can stick it in your tote bag or whatever you have there. And this is like a nice heavy duty faux leather. What is it? It's nice and sturdy there. I just wanted to hop on here and give an update if anybody was curious. And I will have more coming. I know I purchased some extra, like a big brush set and a watercolor kit. So stay tuned for lots more reviews. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.